Hello students, today we start our chapter number 17, Society, Law and Ethics. So our first topic is ethical issue. So these days we can easily say that our society is information society and our era is information era. So as we all know that information is the means to acquire knowledge. In other words, we can say that information forms the intellectual capital for a person or a body. However, there are many ethical issues involved with usage and availability of the information. So right now we have three types of ethical issue. So some common ethical issue are intellectual property rights, plagiarism and digital property rights. So our first is intellectual property rights. So what is intellectual property and what is the rights? So intellectual property rights are the rights of the owner of the information to decide how much information is to be exchanged. So owner will be decide that how much information will be exchanged. So this thing is known as intellectual property right. Exchange, shared or distributed. Also it gives the owner a right to decide the price for exchanging, sharing and distributing. So owner have also right to exchange, sharing and distributing price. He has the right. The creator or producer of the information is the real owner of the information, and the owner has every right to protect his or her intellectual property. To protect one's intellectual property rights, one can get information copyrighted or patented or use trademarks. So if he is the creator or producer of information, so he can get copyrighted, patented or trademarks to protect its intellectual property right. The ethical issue involved with it is that information must not be exchanged without the consent of its owner. So thing is known as ethical issue. It means information must not be exchanged without the consent of the its owner. The intellectual property right must be protected for it. What are the rights they have protected? So encourages individuals and business to create new software and new software application, as well as improving existing applications, ensure new ideas and technologies are widely distributed, promotes investment in the national economy. So these are the intellectual property right that must be protected. To do this, we have following this step. Our second ethical issue is plagiarism. So what is plagiarism? Plagiarism is stealing someone else's intellectual work and representing it as your own work without citing the source of information. So stealing some intellectual work is known as plagiarism, and representing it as your own work without the citing the source of information. So any one of the act would be termed as a plagiarism. So following are the acts. So using some other author's work without giving credit to author, so it is known as plagiarism. Using someone else's work in incorrect form that intended originally by the author or creator, so this is another form of plagiarism. Modifying, lifting someone's production such as music composition, etc., without attributing it to the creator of the work. Giving incorrect source of information, or failure in giving credit or acknowledging the contribution of others in a collaborative effort to which you are also part of. So these are known as some types of plagiarism. That our third ethical issue is digital property rights. So digital property rights or digital assets refers to any information about you or created by you that existing in digital forms, either or on electronic storage device. So all of your digital property comprise what is known is your digital state. So these are the three basic common ethical issues which we are following, which we are facing in current environment, in current information era. So first is intellectual property right, second is plagiarism, and third is digital property rights. So today we learn about ethical issue, where ethical issue are going to be used, and what are the ethical issue we have in current environment.